Bro, I've been talking for like fucking 20 minutes and you couldn't hear me? That's crazy, blood. That's crazy, blood. Thank you, man. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't stream for a while. There's always technical difficulties, man. Man like you, wagwan, bro. Nah, like it was off. My mic was definitely not on until now. Hey, Baba. Hey, yeah, I'm not going over the whole breakdown again. I mean, well, I will. I guess I will. I mean, yeah. So, in summary of the breakdown, right? In summary, we've hit a rejection area. We're rejecting here on the monthly, right? The previous month closed respecting the support. So at any point here, this candle could flip and continue to drive up, right? This weekly candle though has no bottom wick. So at the same time, just as the monthly can flip and continue to drive up, the weekly could hit a rejection area, flip and continue to drive down, right? So we've currently hit a rejection area on the weekly. If we continue to push past this though, we might start to come up here to 190.5, right? That's our next potential rejection area, right? So on the daily though, daily did close bullish above. It looks like we have this range to fill towards 189.8. Yeah, right. So that's what we're looking at right now. So we are looking for to take those buys, a little bit higher, but at the same time, you have to realize that you are at a potential rejection area on the weekly, right? Actually, let me see, what is that weekly level on the lower time frames? Yeah, so this level right here, potential rejection area on the weekly. So you wanna be careful. You want to be careful. You want to see a good closure above. If you end up closing back below like this, yeah, we don't have any entries with that one. You don't have any entries for the buys with that one. Nah, man, nobody said it until you said it, man. I turned on the mic as soon as I read it, bruv. What's a man supposed to do? News in 32 minutes. Yes, sir. Actually, yeah, let's see what news. Well, this hourly is about to close, so let's see how this hourly closes. Yeah, so you're gonna close below, right? You're gonna close below on this hourly. Now the question now is, right, if you look back here, right? If you look back here, you have a time when you've respected this level here. Okay, so you respected this level here, you continue to drive up, but over here you respected the level, you held resistance here, and then you drove down, right? Okay, so I bro, appreciate you, man. Have a good one, man. Have a good one. Yeah, same thing here. You came up, well, you held support here, came up, respected, drove down. Okay. All right, with how price moved in the past, here's what I'm thinking. I mean, for sure, we're not taking any buys yet. Like I said, this is it's a pretty key level to close above, right? We want to close above this level pretty cleanly before we start getting involved with the buys. But what I'm seeing now, if we come down here, we still haven't tapped though. Yeah, if we come down, so here's what I'm seeing. If we come down, we tap this level, right? We come down, we tap this level. So you've tapped the top and then you've tapped the bottom, so you're holding support. Yeah, if we come down, we tap this level, we end up closing bullish above, we're taking those buys, right? But if we sort of come down here, close below, we're gonna wait for a top wick here, and then we're gonna take the sells going down. So either or could form, right? We could form on the buys or we could form on the sells. Yeah, my fault, yo. I didn't know my mic was off. No wonder. The homie was just chilling. Somebody was just chilling in chat for a while, and then they just dipped, probably because they couldn't hear my my beautiful voice, you know. Yeah, my fault. No, gotta get the rust off, you know. Gotta get the stream rust off. Yes, Erski. Yes, Erski. All right, let's see. Let's see. You're coming up here. You are coming up here, but I cannot take this buys until. Actually, let me see. How strong is this weekly level? Are we above technically or no? Well, I guess give or take. 90.94. I mean, okay, let me see. Yeah, let me see how okay, so yeah, you still close respecting regardless, right? You still close respecting the weekly level regardless, right? So the weekly level is sort of in between these two blue lines, right? At least that's what I'm gonna consider as the weekly level. So yeah, you still close respecting regardless. All right. Yeah. Yeah, you're coming up though. So let's see. You are coming up. You are coming up. I mean, you close on the hourly, it looks like you close below, right? But if you say you go to the 30-minute, right? The 30-minute sort of looks like you closed above, then you came back down to hold the weekly level as support, right? So I mean, if you're holding the weekly level as support, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good support to have to get the drive to the top side, and you are pushing up right now. You are pushing up right now, but is that a trade I can take? Not really. You might just say, you might just continue this push up, right? You might just continue this push up, tap into this level, all right? Maybe reject off this level, or maybe you just continue driving up, right? We'll see. There's potential here, but no entries, right? The 30-minute looks better than the hourly, to be honest. 30-minute looks better than the hourly. We would prefer, I think the more guaranteed move here would be to wait for the 4-hour closure above, right? You get that 4-hour closure above, that should be more of a guaranteed move. Let me see. What does that coincide with on the lower? 30-minute? Yeah, so it's the same move really. Yeah, so let's see. I do think this can just drive up now, to be honest. This could just drive up now, but we'll see. All right. In terms of news, let me see what we got for news. Oh, we got a lot of news, heavy news actually. Yeah, we got retail sales and jobless claims and New York Empire State Manufacturing. So we got a bunch of news. Jobless claims haven't done anything in a while, right? At least recently, right? You usually see like a little bit of volume, but not much direction off of jobless claims. But I mean, retail sales and this New York Empire State, it might do something. It might do something. So we'll see. We got news in about 25 minutes, so you know that's gonna bring in some volume. We'll see what happens then. But yeah, so if you're just joining us though, general gist, GJ is overall bearish, but we're currently having bullish momentum, right? We're currently having a bullish push up to potentially create a top wick for this monthly, or to potentially create a steeper top wick for this monthly and drive down, or just flip on the monthly and continue to drive up. But right now what we're looking for are the buys, right? But this weekly candle is currently at a rejection area, so nothing yet until we clear that level. All right, cool, let's go. Oh, gold did something, man. At 7. Yeah, gold closed above here at 7. All right, let's do a gold breakdown real quick. All right, so gold, I mean, of course I can't say this for sure, but I think we're gonna take out the all-time highs, because we sort of came up here, rejected, came all the way back down. I mean, we closed, well, no, I think it was on the daily. Yeah, we hit the fake out on the, oh my goodness, you see what I mean? Perfect fake. I got a bit of these sells, actually. I believe I got a bit of this sells. Was it yesterday? I think, no, yesterday I took buys. Yeah, I got a bit of this sell sometime, I'm not sure when. But you see how you had that fake out on the daily? On my record, I have not lost a single trade. I have taken where a single fake out trade on a higher time frame being 4 hour and above. So you had a fake out here, you had this candle create that top wick, came back down, fill the rest of the range, right? So the fake out play is pretty much done, right, for gold. So now what are we looking at, right? You're looking at this weekly that closed respecting support, and you're respecting this level, and you create a bottom wick here. Now you're pushing bullish to take out all-time highs potentially, right? Yeah, you on the daily, I mean, you close bearish on the daily, but daily respecting, right? Daily respecting. So now you could just continue pushing up. This push up could just continue going, or you could just be pushing up towards this level, reject, and start coming back down, right? So either or, you could see either or play out. But yeah, I mean, overall, of course, we're bullish, right? I mean, yeah, let's see what happens. I mean, this is pretty straightforward, to be fair. Not much, yeah, like my levels and all of that are pretty straightforward here. It's just a matter of, is price gonna be as straightforward in the way it forms, right? Yeah, pretty straightforward here. So yeah, I mean, we have our next potential level of rejection at 2466, 2466. We'll see what happens with that. Yeah, I'll be shooting myself in the foot, man, because some people come in here, they don't know my mic is off, they think it's just a silent stream or something. Man, feels bad, huh? All right, cool. All right, yeah, this 4 hours still coming up. Yeah, this 4 hours still coming up. 4 hours still coming up. Okay. All right, boom. So you just tapped into that level now. Yeah, there's a lot of volume on gold. There is a lot of volume on gold. You just tapped into a level on the 4. Right? You just tapped into a level on the 4 hour. It's hourly levels. A little could be extended up here, really. Okay. Yeah, you just tapped into a level on the 4. Let me see. In terms of sells, range 2 sells. All right, range 2 sells. Right there. Okay, interesting. All right, let's yeah, let's see how this pans out here. Let's see how this pans out. Okay, there is 4. I mean, you have this 2 hourly candles without a bottom wick though. Yeah, so I'm not looking for sales anytime soon. At the very least, we need a 4 hour closer for the sales. If we're gonna take sales, yeah, I mean, these are my levels, so we'll see what happens here. We will see what happens. What happened? What's the price? Prices going up. Prices. Where I slide. Prices going up, going on. Prices. Bad Mona Lisa. Slide with my people. Son. In the sun, it's illegal. Aim from dime. No cosign. You can read between the lines like I did my own grind. Tell me what the preacher by. It's a little rap break, you know what I mean? Little rap break. All right, so I think this is gonna get interesting in a bit here. We got news in about 18 minutes. I think this is gonna get a little interesting here. Potentially. Yeah, so I mean, you just tapped into this 4-hour level. I mean, if you were here earlier, right? If you were here pre-New York, well, I guess yeah, pre-New York. If you were here like 6:30ish, you could have taken this. I don't know if I would have, just because this 30-minute here has no top wick. Well, no, it's closed. So how was that on the hourly? So yeah, maybe I wouldn't have taken that. Yeah, I'd have probably been waiting for a bottom wick here, right? I would have probably have waited for price to give this previous candle a bottom wick before I take the flip on the highs, or before I take the highs. My fault. Before I took the buys on the break of the highs. Okay. $4-hour. Okay. Okay, so I mean, news in about 15 minutes is about to close. Let's see. I don't know if this 15-minute closes above, right? What's GJ though? Not yet. Yeah, if this 15-minute closes above, yeah, you got a good chance to drive up here. I understand we're approaching news, but we're still 15 minutes away from news. If we close above here, I'm gonna look for a bottom wick, and then I'll take a buy. Yeah, if we close above here, which we are about to do, I'm gonna look for a bottom wick. Yeah, I'd say, yeah, I'll look for a bottom wick towards this level here, and then I'll take a buy. Let me see. So if the hourly flips, I'm a little fucked, innit? So I mean, the 4-hour flip as well, that means you're gonna drive down. All right, most likely you're gonna drive down to where? Maybe here. So potentially you have that much space to play with. Okay. Yeah, I need a bottom wick though. I need a bottom wick. If it goes, it goes. But yeah, so it just went. Didn't really wait for anything, huh? Yeah, didn't really wait for much, huh? I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so I mean, this would have been BEs right here. This would have been BE. Yeah, there's a lot of volume, I guess. There's a lot of volume in the markets right now. All right, I guess there's a lot of volume. Which I mean, it does make sense, I guess, because you are approaching all-time highs. So you probably have a lot of people with some buy orders, you know. Yeah, you're flipping now. I mean, even if you create that bottom wick now, I still can't take I can't really take the, you know, like I can't take the high, for instance, right? I can't buy off the high. Even if we create the bottom wick now, what I would have liked to have seen is the bottom wick first, and then I would have taken the buys going up, and then right there. To be honest, once we hit here, I'd have probably hit a closed full, right, and waited for the 30-minute closure in news, right? Which would have, I mean, it would have been a decent move, I think, right? If we came down no bottom wick, or sorry, no top wick, and then we flipped. If we took the flip, it's about 10 pips. It's not bad. 10 pips, not bad. Might have given us like 30 bucks or something. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, so yeah, looks like we're gonna wait for news here, probably 8:30. Well, we might get something at 8:30. I like how we're we keep on coasting on this weekly level on GJ. I mean, if well, we'll see. But if like you know, if the news, what would I call this now, like news price action synchronicity, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like if they really match up, right, if one influences the other to the degree that I think they do, then you'll most likely, based on how this, you know, how price action is currently forming, if we close above here, news is probably gonna push GJ up. We're most likely gonna skyrocket on GJ if we close above, though. If we close above on the 30, but we'll see. We will see. All right, 15:30. All right, cool. So yeah, with that, we don't really have anything until, you know, 8:30. So we're gonna wait for news and the 30-minute closure here, right? News and the 30-minute closure. All right, I was about to do something. Who watched the Olympic ceremony, the closing ceremony? I heard it was some weird behavior, some very weird behavior, some very ritualistic behavior. I don't know what's wrong with the Olympics, man. I used to be hyped for the Olympics. Now it's just, you know what I mean? They just, yeah. Let me not get into it. I'm gonna save it for the podcast. Yeah, podcast. You know, I like podcasts, but God knows I could never do one, man. You know, I'm not interesting enough to do a podcast, man. And that's not even a dig on myself, right? It's just like, bro, what do I have to? I'm not an expert on nothing. What am I gonna talk about for 2-3 hours, bro? I don't even know all the latest gossip, right? So how the hell am I supposed to talk for 2-3? Well, nah. Well, I guess nah. Well, yeah, cause you know those days when you just chopping it up with the mandem, right? You be talking for hours and you don't even know, right? So yeah, I guess if you got the right cast of people together, right, then yeah. But like just me, like I got my own podcast and, you know, I just invite guests on some Joe Rogan shit. Could never do it, bro. Could never do it. Hell nah. Hell nah. I think they should revoke some people's podcasts, though. All right, everybody thinks just because they have access to mics that they deserve to, you know, fucking let their opinions be heard. You know what I mean? Bullshit. I joke. All right, we're waiting for the 30-minute though. Yeah, you see why this is why we waited, right? This is why we waited. So if we had this bottom wick first and then flipped, we would have taken this, right? We would have taken this towards this level. But look what happened. As soon as we tap into that level, you got that rejection, right? So hence why we waited. But let's see what happens here. Yeah, if this closes above here on GJ, news is most likely gonna just push this straight up. And to be honest with you, I mean, if we close above on the 5, it's a good shout. It is a good shout. I'm not gonna lie, because you're still 5 minutes away from news at that point. You're holding this weekly level as a support. I understand this hourly level, you didn't quite clear this hourly level, right? This previous hourly level. But yeah, I mean, this previous hourly level is sort of a fake out, no? This one right here is sort of a fake out. I mean, even then, even if you consider this, you still close below, right? And yeah, this hourly sort of close respecting. Yeah, so I mean, it's a little confusing here just because on the hourly, it looks like you close respecting these weekly level, this weekly range right here, right? Which is a level on the weekly. But on the 30, it looks like you sort of closed above and then you came back down to hold it as support, right? I mean, you're pushing up from that level, so that might just be the case. And if you close above here on the 5, you could keep on driving up, but we'll see. Yeah, look at that formation on the 5. 5 open or closed, no top wick, at least. Well, it has a little bit of a top wick, not much of one. Open, no bottom wick. So this is just a continuing move. Yeah, let's see how this 5 closes. Let's see how this 5 closes. Potentially we'll have a position, but it might be a risky position to take. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right, let me see. 1070 Okay. I'll be right back, yo. I'll be right back. So I'm not looking for this 5 anymore. I'm not gonna take it. Yeah, I'm not gonna take that 5 regardless. So yeah, I will be right back. So we're waiting on the 30-minute close here. Waiting on the 30-minute close. All right, so this 5 did close above. This 5 did close above, so keep that in mind. You could drive up now. You really could drive up now, but you know, I would have waited for a bottom wick for this previous 5 regardless. So yeah, well, I'm gonna just wait on the 30-minute close though. We'll see what happens with news. Yeah, y'all vibe out. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right, we back. We back. Yeah. Let's see. Damn it. Yeah, y'all go tune into the what's it called? Y'all go hit up that the shorts, man. We got some shorts. We got some quality shorts on the channel. You know what I mean? Go show some love. Let's run that view count up. I got another one coming out today. Matter of fact, after news, I might just drop it, right? Before we hop off stream, I'm gonna just drop it. I'm gonna drop it like it's hot. Pause. All right, couple seconds left. About 1 minute left. Ooh, gold flew. Cool. So gold flew straight clean, huh? Gold flew straight clean through that range. Yeah, that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is, huh? Yeah, I couldn't really take that buy. Yeah, I couldn't take that buy until, I mean, we came up here. Yeah, took out the highs potentially. Yeah, maybe we could have, but nah. That's all hindsight, though. It's all hindsight. It was expected, though, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We got news about the drop. Got news about the drop. Let's see. Can we still get a position? Okay. We did that. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Boom. 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 What's GJ? Ooh. Call me a genie, boy. I'm out here predicting the future. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. I'm out. Call me Mystic Mac. They call me Mystic Mac. Right from that weekly level too. And we just push clean through that shit. Are we flipping on the monthly? Okay, not yet. Oh yeah, we about to kill that shit. All right, so now we're approaching our next top wick area, which is about 190.5 here. Okay, we might just tap that. We might just tap 190.5. Let me see, what are my levels on the daily? Hey baba, yeah, that just went clean up, huh? Not much we can do there. Nothing much we can do there. Let me see. Oof, these levels are atrocious, man. I'm not gonna lie, these levels are atrocious. I'm not a fan. Not a fan. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. I mean, yeah, GJ is pretty much gone, to be honest. So 190, so we're approaching 190.5 now. We are approaching that level. Let's see what happens. Do we close above? We close below? What's gonna happen there? Let us see. Let us see. So now these are old levels. Okay, so things are getting fast here. Let's see. Okay, okay, 9.5. All right, got this level here. This. Okay. Hey. All right, cool. So let's see. We got a 30-minute closer in a bit here. Got a 30-minute closer in a bit. Let's see how we close and if we can continue pushing up here. See the 30 level. Yeah, definitely. All right, let's see. Let's see how we close on this 5. Let's see how we close on this 5. Yeah, I mean, even if you don't close above, you might continue pushing through. Like, you know, momentum, you know, you just might have enough momentum to continue pushing through. Yeah, this gold is looking like a 4 hour about to flip bearish now at this point. I mean, we drove down initially on gold, right? Well, okay, we've just been coming down. We don't really have we never came back up, right? Okay. All right, so in terms of positions, I mean, so I'm guessing the dollar news was positive, right? Majority positive, yeah. So mainly positive, the dollar news. So we're looking to drive down, right? We're looking to drive down, and that would be a 4 hour flip as well, potentially. If you flip on this 4 hour now, where are you looking to aim? Like, where are you looking to tap into? Right? Because technically this 4 hours, so this level here is what is this level? It's not really a level. Hourly, it's an hourly level. Okay, hourly level. Okay, so what could happen here? I mean, 5 just closed. You closed back into this range here. You already tapped the bottom of the range though. You already tapped the bottom of the range, and you're sort of still above here, respecting here. Damn. Yeah, you have a lot of volume here, so you could just keep on dropping here, but I don't have any entries though. With these closers, I don't really have any entries. But what I'm looking at is a potential flip of this 4 hour. If this 4 hour flips, right? If that 4 hour flips, if this 4 hour flips, you have a vantage point here of about, what is this? Of about 20 pips, right? You have a vantage point there of about 20 pips. Right, you flip, you take out those highs, you might come back here, but you really shouldn't take out the highs again, right? Yeah, okay. Cool. All right. So yeah, you have a potential entry on the break of the 4 hour lows. I would have liked to have taken the sales right here, right? I would have liked to have taken the sales right here, and I mean, it would have, I mean, I guess it would have played out, because you are driving down now. Right here would have been BE, right? I would have gone BE right here. But yeah, I'm a little paranoid about this level over here. I'm a little paranoid about this level. But this 4 hour is about to flip though. If we take the flip of this 4 though, if we take the flip of that 4, I'll tell you this, it's not the entry I would prefer, right? Because you're sort of getting in on the tail end of it, right? So it's not the entry I would prefer, but I will take it. Let's get a closure on this 5. If we can get a closure of this 5 below this level, I'll take the flip. Well, maybe not the flip. I'll probably just sell off rip. Yeah, I'll probably just sell off rip, to be honest. So it's not the 4. So we could just come here, create, yeah, okay. Yeah, let's see how we close here in about 2 minutes on this 5. Let's see how we close in about 2 minutes on the 5. Hey, is GJ pushing up? Of course it's pushing up. Did we have entries on GJ or no? I mean, we closed respecting. We didn't close above, right? We closed respecting on the 5. Oof. Imagine we took that on the money. Absolutely on the money, right? 15.5. Yeah, that 5 rejecting now, so we might have to wait for it. Woo, buddy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, that happened quick. I wasn't even watching. I was not watching. Oh my goodness. That is TP's hit. That's full TP's, man. I wasn't watching. Yeah, I was lacking. I got caught lacking. I got caught lacking. Fucking hell. Damn, bro. Damn. Yeah, now I gotta wait for a 15 closure. I got caught lacking, man. Damn, that's unfortunate. Yeah, this would have been a nice move. This would have been a nice move, man. I got caught lacking. Fuck. I gotta keep my focus, man. God dang. Okay. Shit. Damn, that's unfortunate. But yeah, on to the next one. Short-term memory loss, you know. All right, so where is, I mean, right now I can't really take, I mean, let me see. So 30 about to close below here. Where's the next level at? So we yeah, we closed no bottom wick on that 5, right? No bottom wick on that 5. So yeah, I really have no entries right now. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to watch this bleed, man. Yeah, I got no entries. I got 0 entries right now. Yeah, where could this be falling to be honest? Yeah, I mean, right here would have been full TPs if we were in here. Right there would have been full TPs. Whether it's gonna continue down now is sort of in the air, right? It's sort of in the air at this point. All right, so to get involved with this now, we either have to wait for the 4-hour close, which most likely is what I'll wait for. We either have to wait for the 4-hour close or let me see, 30-minute. If we can get a 30 closer below here, let me see, what is that though? Is that an hourly level or no? So the next hourly level is over here. So 30-minute. Okay, 30-minute closure here. 15. Close below here. Then maybe. Okay. If we can get a 15-minute closure below here, right, we'll take a sell. Let me see. 2450. Yeah, 2450. Yeah, if we can get this so 15-minute closing in about 3 minutes here. If we can get this 15 closure below, if we can get this 15-minute closure below this level, we'll take a sell, and we have about 22 pips to play with, right? We got 22 pips to play with, but our stops are crazy though. Our stops are outrageous. Yeah, you really wanted to be in here before we flipped. I wasn't paying attention, man. Damn it. Yeah, so I mean, we got potential entries on both GJ and gold. Oof. Yeah, this is the downside of, you know, sort of splitting your focus between 2 pairs. Yeah, so 15 about to close above here. Let me see. Is this clean? How clean is this? So this one could be off rip. Take these buys up. This is about 18 pips. This is 140. God, not terrible. That's not terrible. Yeah, 4-hour level. 4-hour level daily. Check. Okay, so 15 about to close in about a minute. 15 is gonna close in about 1 minute here. Let's see how we close. Let's see how we close here. Okay, couple seconds for the 15 closer. Okay. As much as I would like to, yeah, I'm gonna wait for the gold to close on the 4. But this GJ though, this GJ is calling my name. I'm not gonna lie. This GJ is calling my name. Yeah, I'm just getting ready here. I'm gonna just get ready. Let me see. Yeah, we don't have a drive down, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna need a bottom wick though. Well, it depends on where we close. It depends on where we close. Let me see. Oh my god, I don't even have my terminal open. This is rookie hours right now, man. What am I doing? Okay. Let's see, where's the stops? 29.327. Okay. All right, so we closed above there, right? If we take out those highs again, I'll take a buy. Okay, boom, right there I just took a buy. Just took a buy right there. Vantage point here. I'm gonna go BE. Gonna go BE at 190.885, right? That's where I'm looking to go BE. And then TPs are up here at 191.33. Okay, so right there I'm gonna go BE, which is what? 9.74. Four. Bruh. Oh. Four. All right, boom. So right there, I just went BE. Just went BE right there. Yeah. So you're either gonna continue pushing up here. Yeah, you're either gonna continue pushing up or you're gonna come down and hit BE. Whichever one is cool with me. It is what it is. Let me change my screens. Got about that. There you go. Cool. All right, so we're in this trade now. We're currently risk-free in this trade, actually. So yeah, let's see what happens. If volume can continue here, we should push clean through this, clean through that resistance level, right? If we take out these highs again, we should push clean through that resistance level. Potentially hit TPs. Well, we have TPs at 191.333. The only reason I extended the TPs up to there is just because of the volume, right? We have a lot of volume in the market right now, so we're trying to see if we can, you know, capitalize on that volume. So let's see what happens here. Let me actually put in my TPs. So TP at 191.333. Yeah, so I got my TPs 191.333, but here's the thing. If we tap into, because we haven't really tapped exactly into what is this, into 190.9, right? Once we tap into 190.9, I'm gonna go to the minute time frame and start managing the position. Yeah, looks like okay. Yeah, so we just got taken out there. We just got taken out BE. We made a bit of profit there. Well, we made $1 a dollar a day, as they say, I guess. But we made about $1 there. So I mean, you most likely will continue pushing up, but we couldn't really keep this open, right? Because now you're tapping into a 4-hour level, so you really couldn't keep this open, right? Yeah, so let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens. You most likely are gonna continue pushing up though, but at this point we sort of have to wait for the 4-hour close. Sort of gotta wait for the 4-hour close. But yeah, nice nice trade there, I guess. So GJ, let me change back the screens. There you go. Okay, so as GJBE, right? Put that on the record. Another BE for the month. And another BE for the all-time record, 42. All right, cool. Trades taken. Let me see. Trades taken. GJBE. All right, cool. So, you know, unfortunately, I mean this 15, even this gold, we wouldn't have had a position on gold either, right? We wouldn't have had a position on gold either. So nothing I can really do here, man. I just gotta watch this at this point. Just gotta watch this at this point. Yeah, this we really wanted to be in here before we flipped on the 4, or as soon as we flipped on the 4. But unfortunately, my attention was elsewhere. It is what it is. Did we push up just now? Okay, no. We're still rejecting that 4-hour level, right? Yeah. So let's see how we close though. Let's see how we close on the 4. Let's see how we close on the 4. Is there more news today? Let me see. So no more news, or at least not high impact news. Let me actually, no, that's not what I'm looking for. One sec. Let me see. That's not what I'm looking for. There you go. What is today? Today is a Thursday. No results. What you mean no results? No such results. What? What you mean? I'm just trying to see the news, man. Hey, bugging. Yeah, they bugging. But yeah, it doesn't look like there's news. There's no more news for the rest of the day. At least not high impact news. So, you know, this should be the direction set though. This should be direction set. Yeah, you got this continuing to push up. We couldn't keep that open really, right? We couldn't keep that open. We already tapped into this level. Well, you didn't tap exactly into the level, but you are around the level, so that's pretty much good enough to warrant me going BE. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, let's see how this 4-hour closes, man. Let's see how this 4-hour closes. Let me see. I'm very interested in this gold sells if we can close bearish. Oh, if we can flip on the daily. Yeah, because remember what I said at the beginning of the stream, right? You're either coming up here to, you know, to drive through, or you're just coming up here to create a top wick and drive back down, right? This is basically what we said in our morning analysis, right? So if that's what we're doing now, if we can get the early entry towards the daily flip, right? If we can get an early sell entry here towards the daily flip, even better, right? Even better. Okay, let me see. All right, we're loading up here. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. 6 minutes. I think the best place you can close below would be 24.50. That would be the best. That would be the best looks for sells below 24.50. You would have a crazy top wick though. Well, not top wick. Stop loss. My stop loss sort of has to be above here. Damn, I'm suffering from success right now. I just saw there are so many, you know, potential entries that I got lost in the sauce, you know. Absolutely lost in the sauce. Yeah, you're pushing here, man. Pushing. Dang. You pushing. Yeah, you're coming up to TPs now. Yeah. All right, this 5 minutes about to close. Damn. All right, let me not lie to you. I might take this 5. No cap. I might take this 5. If we make a bottom wick, so if we don't take out those highs, if we make a bottom wick towards this level, I'll take this 5. I know we're about to close on the 4, but this is what the 4 tends to do. We do tend to drive on the last few minutes of the 4. We either drive up quick or drive down quick. So we'll see which one it is. Yeah, if we can flip, come down, create a bottom wick. Yeah, if we can create a bottom wick towards this level here, I'll take the buy on the flip. I'll take the buy on the flip. Yeah, so that there. Yeah, it's oof. The stops are crazy, man. The stops are crazy. 4 hours. 30. Okay, so 16. So you actually made a bottom wick. So you did make that bottom wick now. Cool. Let's see if we can flip here. If we can flip within the next, I'd say the next minute and 40 seconds, if we can take out that high, I'll take a buy on GJ. Yeah, we gotta take out the high though. Yeah, so 30 more seconds. Yeah, that's an even better bottom wick. That's an even better bottom wick. Yeah, I'm allow this for like until we have a minute left for the close. So if we can take out those highs within the next minute, I'll take these buys. Let's see. Yeah, you don't really drive down heavy until there, no? Okay. 15 as well. Woof. Look at gold, boy. Look at gold. Look at that jungle. Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy. Sweet baby Jesus. Damn, oh my Jesus. You cleaned that house. You cleaned the whole thing. You're still dropping? Yo, absolutely brazy. The daily flipped? Oh my days, man. What is going on? Oh my goodness. Oh my day. We might have just... Yeah, this might be over. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how to take this anymore. What the fuck? Yeah, man. Yeah, this might be over. We might be done here. Jesus Christ. Damn. It's a lot. Alright, 4-hour closer in a bit. Hey, Baba. Alright, let me pick one. Alright, let me look at gold. Let me focus on gold. Alright, 4-hour closer in about 30 seconds here. Let's see what happens. Boom. So your next levels are here, right? Okay, this is your next level on the 4. Well, technically here. Bomba clock. Okay, it looks like you're gonna close below on the 30. But you close below on the hourly, not so much on the 30 though. But I guess with an hourly closer, it doesn't matter. Bro, you're just dropping, man. I have no entries. You're just dropping. What can I do about it? Oh my Jesus. Yeah, ain't nothing I can do about that, y'all. Nothing I can do about that. In terms of GJ, oh my goodness. GJ closing. How did we close? Yeah, you're doing a lot here. Damn. Yeah. Hey, don't let the FOMO get you, man. If you're you know, if you've missed a move, just let it go and look for something else, right? Don't start to panic and take something you're gonna regret. Right, because I see all this bullish momentum on GJ. I see the bearish momentum on gold, right? But if I don't have an entry, I'm not just gonna click buy or sell, right? You want to wait for confirmations and take a move that you're confident in. So a lot of things have happened here, so I'm just gonna redraw my levels here. Right, this 4-hour looks like we closed right at the level. Yeah, so be careful here. You look like you close right at this 4-hour level. Say right here. All right, so your next level would be, I mean, this is just a whole fuckery of shit of levels. Okay. Hey, Baba. All right, so the 4-hour level is not clear. We're not very clear on the 4-hour level. Damn. Yeah, I just missed. Yeah, that's on me, really. I missed a bunch of opportunities there, but it is what it is. We look for the next one, right? Okay, so you have a 4-hour level there, 4-hour level here. Nothing until really this one here. These not for sales, but for the bottom wick though. For the bottom wick, this is driven clean through, right? Okay. Close below. Expecting. So look to the left, right? You see here, we closed respecting this level. We drove down to the bottom of the range before coming up. Here we closed respecting, drove down to the bottom of the range before coming up. All right. And here you closed above, right? If you're taking this line as the level, you closed above here, you went up. Let me see. So most times, at least, well, right here you close respecting and drove up. Okay. All right. Okay. Decision time. I'm not gonna take a buy right now. Things are looking a little too yeah, those levels on the 4 hour are too close to each other, right? They're too ambiguous, to be honest with you. All right, cool. So I mean, you're filling up this range now. You're filling up that range. I'd have liked to see a steeper bottom wick before we started coming up, but it is what it is. C'est la vie. So the highs of this range are up here, right? So that's the hourly. So let's see what the 30 is saying real quick. See what the 30 is saying real quick. Damn, I'm a little slow today, I guess. All right, so that's your 30 level there. Then you got like a support level here. You got a resistance here too. Close above. All right. I believe you're about to close on this 5, right? You're about to close on this 5. Okay. Let's see if we can. If we close above here on this 5, I'll take a buy on the break of the highs. Yeah. If we close above on that 5, we close above this level on this 5. Once we if we close above this level on the 5, I'll take a buy. But see 4 hour level, so bottom of this range is where you would come back for a level. So we're looking somewhere here. Oof, I'm trying to hustle it. Did we close on the 5 already? I think we did. Yeah, okay. We damn, we closed without a top wick though. Yeah, we closed without a top wick, which is not the best closure. Damn, here's the thing. The more you wait, the more likely is you're gonna miss the move, and then you're gonna have to take, you know, a weirder position, so to speak, or a potentially worse position. Yeah, I can't take this right now with this 5 closer. I can't really take this. Hey, we got volume in the markets though. If this candle can close respecting, so like bearish respecting or bullish respecting without, you know, taking out the rest of this range, I'll get involved with the buys, right? Either that, or if we flip bearish again, maybe create a steeper bottom wick, I'll take the buys on the break of the highs. But for now, I don't really have anything on there on GJ. As for gold, I mean, yeah, so gold closed bearish right at support. No bottom wick, sort of. The 4 hour, you did have a, you know, you do have a bottom wick on the 4 hour. Or sorry, you did have range to fill on the 4 hour, but you just dropped down. You didn't really get any entries off of that. Yeah, so hourly close respecting. I guess you could extend this here, right? And then your next level would be here. Right here. Yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, around there. Right, cool. That's your 4 as well. Hourly 30. See what the 30 is saying. Okay. Damn. I mean, there's volume in the markets though, so you know. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, so buys would be up there potentially. Now you're below here. You're still trading this. You're still respecting this level though. So 15 closes below, you could get a push down, bruh. Yeah, man, there's so much volume here, man. We're just dropping. I can't really do much here. I can't really do much. Yeah, with the way things are looking, I mean, things look bearish on gold and bullish on GJ, right? Pretty self-explanatory there, but it's a matter of entries at this point. Yeah, now you're playing at these daily levels now. You're playing at these daily levels. This monthly could flip. This monthly could flip here, and that's actually what we want, right? That's what we're trying to get into this potential monthly flip early, right? That's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to get into the potential monthly flip early. Okay, we're about to have a second opportunity at gold, sorry, at GJ. Let me see which one is better here, GJ or gold. So GJ is gonna close below. We close below here. What are we saying? About a 15 pip vantage point. Okay, so we're gonna focus on GJ for now. Let's see how this 5 closes. I want to see a push up. If we can close respecting this level on the 5, I'll be in there. Yeah, we just need to close respecting that 5. I'll be in there. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna do that. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna do that. Cool. I mean, that's cool. That's okay. That's okay. Even better, right? Because here's what happens now. Now we have a potential that we can come down, create that steeper bottom wick, which is what I was looking for initially, right? That's why I didn't take the drive, the initial push up, right? I needed a steeper bottom wick. So at this point, if we can now come down, create that steeper bottom wick, right, towards these levels, and then close above on the 15, yeah, what I want to see this candle flip. I want to see this candle flip, tap into this level, and then close bullish above here, right? Once we close bullish above there, all I need is a bottom wick. Not much of one. I just need a bottom wick, and then we can take the buys going up here. And this is still a decent range, right? This is still about, I mean, it depends on where we close, but this is still about a 20 pip range. So that would not be terrible. As for stops, I mean, they don't necessarily have to be, you know, yeah, stops would be around here, to be honest. Stops would be around here. All right, and that's to potentially flip on the monthly and drive up. So where's that monthly flip? That's the drive up there. So we're looking, potential TPs we're looking at are up here, potentially, which is a decent amount of pips. All right, let's see. All right, let's lock in here. Even if we don't come down for that bottom wick, I'll still take the sell. The buys, but most likely I'll just close full instead of break even, right? Because I do think you're still gonna, if you're gonna drive, I think you're gonna have to make a bottom wick towards that level, to be honest. Let's see. Okay, oh, yeah. Damn. What? Okay. You're forming here. You're forming. Let's see. Can we flip on that 15, get the steeper bottom wick, and close above? Yeah, I mean, we could play a buy right here on the flip of this hourly, because look where we closed. Look where we closed. Why did I have that marked up? I had that marked up for a reason. No, I had that marked up for a reason. Is that the weekly? I forget why I had this level. Well, I guess this is why. No, yeah, so I guess this is why. But technically, if we're talking just the hourly, we closed above. Hey, blah. Okay, yeah, things getting hazy here. Things are getting hazy. Yeah, on the 30-minute, if I was looking at just the 30-minute, this gold looks like it could flip up and then drive up to here minimum, right? And that's actually a better stop. That's a better stop to have, right? I got to stop down here at these lows and then TPs over here. So I mean, it's a decent entry. It's a decent entry. Yeah, but that's the 15 about to close, so that'll be interesting. But back to GJ though. Back to GJ. Cool. So GJ is coming up here. Are we gonna close above? If we close above, my fault. Let me reset this. Yeah, if we close above, I'll look to get that bottom wick to this level here, and then I'm taking those buys. I mean, to be honest, I could just take the buys without that, no? All right, so we closed here. We closed respecting. I need a bottom wick towards here. If we flip here, I'll take a buy. Yeah, I know we didn't close above there, but we closed above here. Let me see this 30. Let me see this 30. Where's the 30? Yeah, we need to flip. Let's flip. Okay. Yeah, my brain is moving at light speeds right now, man. Oh man, it came back closed. Expecting bullish. Damn. All right. Okay, so I mean, you still don't really have that bottom wick I want. Come on. Okay, so we might miss this move, but I need either a steeper bottom wick and then I'll take the flip, or we need a 5-minute closure above here. Let's see. Oof, my fault. Okay, so we're making that steeper bottom wick now. We're making that steeper bottom wick. Cool. How many pips is this to the vantage point? This is 4 pips. Not the best. Yeah, the problem with taking this off the flip, is that if you take this off the flip, you sort of have to go BE at this level here, which is about 4 pips away, which is not the best vantage point. All right, that's not the best vantage point. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Yeah, keep in mind too, this is a 4-hour level you're playing with. All right, so now you tapped into this level here, right? So I like that bottom wick now. That's a bottom wick I can live with. Sorry. Yeah, so we tapped into this level now, so this is the bottom wick I can live with. So my entries now are one of two things. It's either we come up and we take out these highs, right? If we take out those highs, I'll get into an entry right there. Yeah, but what's my vantage point then? Yeah, your vantage point is about 10 pips, which isn't bad. It's not terrible. I'll prefer something, you know, better, but you know, it's not terrible. So ideally what you want to see here is this 5-minute close above without driving, and then I'll take a buy, right? But you know, if we're already up here, if we take out these highs before the 5 closes, I'll just take a buy off the break of those highs, right? Yeah, cool. All right, so we know what we're looking for at least, right? We know what we're looking for at least. All right, yeah, got these here right there. Cool. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, been a mathematician. Wait a minute. The rap break. Rap break. 9.75. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get something finally. Let's see if we can get something finally. All right, we're coming up here. We need a closer above or to take out those highs. I would prefer the closer above on the 5, and then we'll look for the drive up. Yeah, because I mean, if we can close, like say we close somewhere around here, right? Taking out the highs is 13 pips. Our BE levels are 26 pips away, so that's decent. All right, just get ready here, y'all. Get ready. 9.75. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let us lock in. 1, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. 10 seconds left for a closer. Three, 2, 1. All right. So as soon as we flip, I'm gonna take a buy. All right, right there, I just took a buy. I just took a buy right there. Vantage point. I understand we don't really have much of a bottom wick on this 5. You could see now that we come down for a bottom wick. I'm okay with that. Seeing that amount of drawdown, I'm okay with that. But we should come up here and at least take out these highs. And once we take out these highs, about 13 pips, I'll be looking to go break even right there. Because do keep in mind, we are currently at this 4-hour level, right? But we got a lot of volume here. We do have a lot of volume here, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. But make sure you have your stops in place, though. Make sure you have your stops in place, because if this is gonna be a fake out per se, you're gonna drive down heavy. Trust me. You're gonna drive down heavy. But yeah, we're in this move now. Let's see what going. Let us see what going. Let us see what going. Yeah, we're rejecting here. We're rejecting. Just keep in mind, yeah, if you close or if you flip bearish on this on GJ here, if you flip bearish on this 4, most likely you're gonna take out these lows and you're gonna drive down to fill this range, right? You're most likely gonna fill this range. Whether you're gonna keep on driving down, I don't know. I would hope not, for the sake of our trade, right? I would hope not, but just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So the way I'll manage this basically is if we start closing so if this 30-minute closes bearish, I might just, I'll wait for a bottom wick and then I'll probably move my stops up to wherever we make a bottom wick to, right? But yeah, we'll see. We will see. For now, we are in this trade. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Can we get a dub? Can we get a dub? Hey, baba. Yeah, that's the downside of when you wait for trades that long, you start to see the moves play out. You start to see all the moves play out. You might get a little bit, itchy just to get into a position. All right, so I will admit this is not the most ideal trade to take, but it is an entry, right? It is an entry. I would say this is like a B+ entry, right? I mean, if we didn't have the backing of like higher time frames, if I wasn't seeing what I'm seeing of potentially happening on the higher time frames, then I'd be a lot more hesitant to take it. But yeah, If what I'm seeing could potentially play out on this higher time frame is what's gonna play out, then yeah, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. But let's see though. Yeah, looking at it now, the 4 hour, yeah, we are at a level of you do have quite a bit of rejection at these levels. Yeah, the entry is still valid though. The entry is still valid, but yeah, you are at problematic areas, I should say, right? Not specific levels, but problematic areas. Let's see how this 5 closes though. If you can close bullish on this 5, I don't see any reason why you shouldn't come up and take out these highs minimum, but we'll see. We will see. Yeah, not my finest trade though, not gonna lie, not my finest trade. Let's see what gold doing. Ooh, gold. So you had the flip and you drove up on gold, so hey, that was an entry, I guess. Hey Baba, man, it always seems like, you know, the one we don't take, or the one we're not looking at, ends up, you know, playing out. All right, but then the one we're in is always in drawdown or some shit. Crazy, no? Okay, let's see here. This 5 is gonna close bearish. This 5 is gonna close bearish. Not very not the best sign here, not the best omen. All right, so 5-minute closure on yeah, 5-minute bearish closure below. I mean, we're still good though, we're still good. This candle is sort of opening, no top wick, we're making a bottom wick, we're still respecting the support. So let's see, really the 30-minute closure is gonna be key here. The 30-minute closure is gonna be key here. You want to close above. If you don't end up driving off, like before this 30 closes, if you don't end up driving and tapping into 191.327, then really you want to see a closure above at least. But yeah, let's see. Let us see. Can you see a push up? Let's see. Oh boy. Yeah, so BE is the, if we take out these highs, right? You take out these highs, we go BE. Once we take out these highs, we go BE. It doesn't leave us much room. That's about 13 pips, I believe. About 13 pips, but you know, we have to, right? It's not really up for discussion. Because if you take out those highs again, you really should just drive through to at least 191.4, right? If you're taking out those highs and you're still sort of fluctuating, then yeah, most likely you're gonna reject to the downside. All right, so I mean, actual BE levels are up here at 191.265, right? 191.265, but once you take out these highs, you really shouldn't be coming back down like you currently are. So you might just flip on that 5. You might just flip on this 5 and continue to drive down for the 30. For the 30 bearish closure. Yeah, you really don't want to see a 30 bearish closure, man. If you see a 30 bearish closure, it doesn't necessarily mean you're not gonna, you know, come up. But what it means is you're gonna see a lot more drawdown before you come up. So let's see here. Can we push up? Okay, take out the highs. Can we see a push up? Okay, we're approaching our entry. You're approaching our entry and approaching BE areas. Okay, let's see. Okay, taking out the highs again. Can we push up? Yeah, so right now we're just, you know, doing whatever. I'll tell you what though, if you end up taking out these highs, if we go BE, very high chance we get stopped out BE, right? Because this is gonna be a 30-minute close. So if we hit the 30-minute close then go BE, you know, we have more of a chance of, you know, surviving the push, right? But if we go BE before the 30-minute close, just know, you know, you have a very high chance of getting stopped out at BE. Well, not stopped out, but, you know, getting taken out of the trade at BE. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. You just don't want this candle to flip again, because you have a minute left. You know, price does do this sometimes, right? It'll give you hope like this, and then the last minute it'll flip bearish. So don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. Okay, we're coming up. You're approaching BE areas. You're approaching. Didn't quite get there though. Okay. Approaching. Can you take out those highs and drive? Last second. Couple seconds left here. Take out those highs. Still nothing. 10 seconds left. All right, so I didn't move anything. Just dropped or drag and drop. All right, that's the open, right? Okay, make a bottom wick. If we can take out those highs now, then we'll go BE. That 30-minute close bullish though, so that's good. That's a good closure for the 30. Decent closure for the 30. Let's see. Yeah, so now what I'm looking for, if we take out those highs, what I'll do, that's the bottom wick I'm looking for. If we can flip now, as soon as we flip on this candle, what I'll do, I'll move my stops to these lows. Yeah, if we can flip on this candle, we should drive up. So if we flip and take out those highs, I'll move my stops to these lows, and then once we hit BE areas, I'll go BE. So let's see. Let us see. So 9:30, right? This is New York open. So we have volume here. We still got the leftover volume from news, and we have volume from NYSE open. So let's see. If we take out those highs, you should see a push up towards BE areas. And then potentially we're going to see a push up towards TPs. And our TP right now is actually the weekly flip, right? I mean, we're going to start managing around 191.3, right? We're going to start managing on the minute. But yeah, full TPs is pretty much the weekly flip or the daily flip. Or is it monthly flip? Monthly flip, sorry. Okay, we still have not pushed up here. Interesting. You just want to keep in mind, right? The what is it? The weekly has no bottom wick, so you could still, you know, you could still have a scenario where you flip bearish on the weekly and drive down, right? So keep that in mind still. Keep that in mind still. Yeah, I would have expected that we would have flipped by now, I'm not gonna lie. When are those other smaller news events? When are those happening? They got one at 10. That's about it, right? Yeah, they got one at 10. All right, so we're seeing more drawdown here, right? Okay. I would have thought you would come up. You would push up by now. Yeah, you might just flip again on. So you're coming to flip back bearish on the hourly. You're coming to flip back bearish on the hourly again. Yeah, let's see. I mean, that 30 closed bullish, so really, you know, there's nothing we can do in terms of managing, but let's see. The 30 closed bullish, right? This 5. Let's see how this 5 closes. Let's see if we close above or below. Ideally, you want the 5 to drive up, but yeah. Hey, Baba. Yo, I forgot how long these streams feel sometimes, man. Especially when you in drawdown, just chilling. Just chilling in drawdown, chilling in drawdown. Okay. Yeah, about a minute left for this 5 close. Can we flip bullish? Yeah, the minute's not looking too good. Yeah, if we start to consolidate like this around these areas, yeah, it's not really good. Doesn't look the best to continue to push up, man. Because you're basically holding that resistance. Yeah. All right, a couple seconds left for the 5-minute closer. Couple seconds left. Let's see what happens. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so you closed bearish, but still respecting though. Now you're opening bottom wick. Okay. How many pips is this? Pips, 6 pips. Okay. I was gonna say we could take a buy right there, basically up towards our entry, right, which is a level. Well, not our entry, but just before our entry, and you know that should sort of even out, right? We could, you know, get out of the trade at BE at that point, but yeah, it doesn't really make sense. You're micromanaging at that point. Yeah, let's see what happens. We don't really have anything definitive until we see a 30-minute close. I mean, we had that 30-minute close bullish, so once we see another 30-minute closer, which would be the hourly close as well, right? So I mean, if the hourly close is bearish, right, then you have a different look, right? Then you actually have something to go off of, like, you know, you might want to get out this trade now, right? So we'll see. Hey, Baba, drawdown, man. It's funny, the trade I take is like the one that doesn't just drive up, you know, but the ones I, you know, didn't take or missed out on, you know, those ones just drive straight to TPs. Crazy, you know, absolutely brazy. Yeah, even the gold one drove up to TP. Crazy. All right, you're coming up here. You're coming up. Can you hit BE? Yeah, if you flip again on this 15, if you take out your highs on this 15, you should see a drive up. If you don't see a drive up to BE areas, I'm sorry, but you most likely are gonna drive down a lot further. Yeah, no emotions though. We're not gonna get scared and you know close the trade before we have to, right? Nothing here has said close the trade. Nothing yet has said close the trade. It's just, you know, I would have preferred this moved a lot quicker than it's currently moving, just as an added confluence, but you know, we wait. Let's see, can we take out the highs of the 15? That would be nice. Yeah, you're even struggling to flip on the 15, much less take out the highs. Okay. You know, it's in times of drawdown where I wish people were on the stream, you know. Help you take your mind off of it. Or actually, they'll probably, if anybody that took the trade with you, they probably be on your neck. Like, yo, you sure we should still hold? Like, are you sure? You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know how they do it, man. Like, right now, things are calm, right? It's either just maybe a few people in chat or maybe nobody, right? But once there's a lot of people, yeah, that's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be crazy. But yes, let's see. So 5 minute about to close in a minute. We're gonna have a 5 minute closure in about 1 minute. This 15 is really struggling to flip. Yeah. Can we flip? Come on, buddy. Okay, going for the flip. Still not. Yeah, you're really struggling. Really struggling, man. 5 minute about to close in 30 seconds as well. Yeah, 5 minute about to close in about 10 seconds, eating back down as well. So 5 minute might close bearish. Let's see. Yeah, you're really holding that level, huh? Okay. All right, that's a 5 minute closer. That's a 15 minute flip. Can you take out the highs of the 15? All right, you just took out the highs of the 15. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move my stops to these lows right here. I'm gonna move my stops down here. You shouldn't come back down to that level. Okay, right now we're just, did we tap into BE? Yeah, so yeah, boom, right there we just tapped into BE. We just tapped into BE. We're now risk-free in this trade. Let's see if we can drive. Let's see if we can survive this pullback. Most likely not, but we'll see. Yeah, because I mean, if you're gonna drive up there, we took out those highs again and we didn't drive up, so you know, it might just, yeah, it might just not be time. So yeah, we're out of that trade again, BE. Yeah, so we're just making a little bit of profit with each of these trades, these BE trades. We're just taking a little bit of profit on each of them. Hey baba, so that's another GJBE, another buy. GJ buys BE. Unfortunately, yeah, I would have liked to hold that. I really would have liked to hold that, but yeah, man, we took out the highs again, no, right? We took out the 4-hour highs again, still didn't drive, right? Still didn't drive, right? So now if you're gonna start coming down here, you're most likely gonna see a push down. You're most likely gonna see a decent push down. Let me see. BE. Damn, another BE for the day. Yeah, I'm thinking, man. All right, this is about to be a 15-minute closer, right? Let's see how this 15-minute closes. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. 10. Yeah, let's see how this 15-minute closes. See all time. Another BE. Hey, baba. Yet another BE for the day. Okay. Yeah, you're pushing up. You're pushing up. Oh, if you take out those highs, you could drive. Let me see. So that's taking out the 4-hour highs again. After coming up here. All right. Okay. Yeah, so that was the first tap. So you should drive down now, right? Should drive down now. This 15 does this. Could come up here. So this is your level here. 7 pips, 8 pips, not terrible. 8 pips ain't terrible. All right, cool. So that's another BE. I'm gonna look to take this trade one more time. I'm gonna look to take the trade one more time. Let me see. So you're tapping into that level again. Yeah, if we take out this high, so really, if you're gonna drive down, from a tap in here, you should have just started to drive down now, right? You shouldn't come back up here, right? I mean, even if you don't start pushing down now, you really shouldn't come back up here. Yeah, I'm gonna see how this 15 closes. If this 15 closes above this level here, wait, which level is it? Which level am I looking at? That's okay. That's the 4. All right, that's the 4. Yeah, if we can close above this level on the 15 in about whatever seconds here, yeah, let's look alive. Yeah, let's lock in. 9.711. Yeah, let's see. Can we close above? Can we close above? Yeah, as soon as you close above, your vantage point is 8 pips, so you want to be quick. Ooh, we went straight up. So we needed a bottom wick. Well, we can still make a bottom wick. We haven't really tapped into our entries. Okay, give me a bottom wick. Come on, give me a bottom wick, man. Bruh. Yeah, nah. Yeah, I can't take this. I need a bottom wick. Give me a bottom wick. No bottom wick. Cool. All right, so that's the end of that. Yeah, that's TPs. That would have been TP right there. 14 pips, not bad. Yeah, that would have been TP right there. Yeah, sorry y'all, today I don't know, maybe it's an off day for me, you know. Been a while since we've been on stream. Maybe it's just an off day. I've just been missing these moves, man. I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, that's gonna be it for me in terms of GJ. Anyways, we're gonna leave GJ alone for now. Gold though, let's see. So we're gonna leave GJ alone for now, but let me look at gold. Okay, clear these out. Yeah, I'm feeling like I should just call it a day, to be honest with you. I've seen so many moves at this point. I don't want them to really, you know, what's the word, like influence or muddle my my outlook here. Okay, so did all of that. Still flipped above, so you made a top wick. All right, that's just your top wick to continue your drive down. All right, okay. All right, so we have one more possibility here, but that's gonna come at the hourly close. Yeah, I can't really take this right now. You're sort of catching a falling knife if you take this sell right now. All right, cool. I got my entries. Cool. So the next thing we're gonna look for here, really the only thing we're gonna look for here before we hop off, is a so we're gonna look for this hourly to close below here. I mean, with the volume that it's coming down with, I mean, you might just clean the range. I'm not gonna lie, you might just clean the range, but I'm gonna look for that hourly to close bearish, right? Close bearish inside this range here. And this is about a what? It's about a 50 pip range, so it's not terrible, right? So I'm gonna look for the hourly to close bearish in there, somewhere in there. And then I mean, I'll probably close full right here, to be honest. Yeah, because your top wick now is not terrible, or your stops now. Ooh, never mind, they are pretty huge here, pretty huge stops. I mean, no, if you're closing back below here, yeah, these are your stops right here. You want to be safe up here, maybe. Yeah, up here, maybe, but that's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah, because then you have this to contend with, right? You do have these to contend with. Yeah, close back bearish. It's never close bearish. Bearish, you still should tap in there. Yeah. All right, y'all. This is the move. This is the only other thing I would be willing to take today. Yeah, man. Today has been a crazy day. We had a bunch of opportunities. Some we missed, some we just never got an entry. I mean, we had 2 buys on GJ, right? Both of them went BE. They both went BE. I have to add that to my record, my trading journal as well. Not forget that. But yeah, man, yeah. I mean, I was expecting them. You're like, the reason we go BE, I can't be mad, right? Because the reason we go BE is because we understand once we tap that level, you might see a rejection, right? Whether that rejection is gonna be temporary or, you know, it's gonna, you know, push you down, you don't know, right? That's why you go BE. So if it just ends up being the case that, you know, if it ends up being the case that it was just a temporary push down or a temporary push, then yeah, that's just how the dice rolls. Just how the dice rolls, man. That's just how the cookie crumbles. Damn, I'm just about tired, man. Yeah, I gotta hop off in a bit anyways. I gotta be somewhere. I forgot about that. Oh, man, I thought I was gonna have so much time this morning, but damn. Yeah, bro. I got lost in the sauce a little bit. Yeah, maybe I should stop talking so much unless there are people on it. It's like, nah. It wasn't a priority. Nah, it wasn't really that we were distracted by the right things, right? So to speak. So we were distracted by other pairs and other moves forming, right? So it's not really a bad thing. But here's what you want to know, right? Don't FOMO into any positions because you feel. That's why a lot of times, right, you know, people will say, you know, if you've taken a couple losses for the day, or like a couple trades, maybe BEs, just hop off the charts, right? It's not because like, oh, just because you took one trade you can't find another trade. Nah, just because, you know, you don't want your previous trade, like if you've not gotten to the point of short-term memory loss where you can just forget the trade, win or lose. And if you've not gotten to that point, if you sort of carry over that mentality into the next trade, then it, you know, things start getting hazy. All right, you have this 5-minute closer above, you have a flip, so this candle might drive. You might drive on this candle on GJ. Yeah, man. Man, I really want to take this. Oh my goodness, you're just gonna drive down, huh? I don't know if it makes sense though. Does it make sense for me to just take a sell before we close? I don't know. I don't think so. Damn. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm not scared. It's not even like I'm scared, to be honest with you. I'm really not scared. I have no entries, right? It's not even like I'm scared that we've driven down too far or anything like that, right? I just have no entries. I just got no entries. Oh, if this can close respecting, that would be beautiful. Just close respecting, please. Because if we close below, hey, yeah, we might close below, man. I really want to take this. Yeah, if we close below, I will really want to take this. Let's see these highs here. That's still a lot, though. Damn, 1984. I mean, I guess it is what it is, isn't it? All right, you're coming up here, or you're coming down here, sorry. You're coming down here. How are we gonna close? How are we gonna close? And oh my goodness, I want to take that sell. I really want to take that sell. Oh my goodness. Oh, I really want to take that sell, man. Damn. So, top wick here. You never stopped here. Here. Okay. If we make a top wick, which we just did, 15.5. All right. If we flip, I'll take a sell. If we flip on this 5, I'm gonna take a sell. Vantage point is 20 pips. And to be honest, yeah, nah, if you flip here, you should be driving down and closing below. So my stops could be over here, 1559.3. 245. Okay. All right. Let's see how we let's see what happens here. If we flip on this 5, I'll take a sell. If we flip on that 5, I'll take a sell. If we close below on the hourly, I'll take a sell. Yeah, the hourly level is a little bit higher, so we, it'll look like it'll look like I'm respecting on the 530, but it's an hourly move, so it's a little different. All right, let's see. Can we flip on this 5? Can we flip on this 5? That's the 15 coming for a flip bullish. Interesting. 30. Yeah. 84. Yeah, cool. Let's see. Let us see. Yeah, GJ might have good closures as well. GJ might have good closures as well. You would need to close above that level on the 4 though. You would need to close above that level on the 4. All right. Got about a minute left. Got about a minute left. So it doesn't look like we're gonna get anything off this 5 flip. All right, doesn't look like we're gonna get anything off the 5 flip. All right, 1 minute left here. So we're not gonna take anything off the 5-minute flip, but let's see how this hourly closes. Let's see how this hourly closes here. So hourly level you want to close below is right there. All right, your 30-minute levels are around here. This 15 looks like it's about to flip up. If you flip up, close above here, you could have a drive up, right? Okay. All right, cool. Let's see how we close here. You have potential for buys as well, but you might just close in limbo. Limbo. A limbo. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, GJ, yeah, nah. Yeah, I think we've hit targets for the day, man. I think we've hit targets for the day. Okay, so that 15 did close bullish, right? We did end up closing bullish on that 15, but we're coming up without a top, without a bottom wick. If we form a bottom wick on this 15, yeah, if we can flip on this 15 and get a bottom wick, Hey. It's a lot going on, huh? Yeah, there's a lot going on here, man. There's a lot going on. So yeah, scratch that. Buys, huh? You're flipping on the daily again. On the daily, no bottom wick here. I might take a wick entry. Let me see. Okay, drove down. Close bearish. Okay, we might take a wick entry here, man. Let me see. So if I take a wick entry here for the flip, 40 pips, we're gonna come back down here. Let me see. Stops. Oof. 80 highs up here. All right, cool. See 30 hourly. You're not just gonna, you might, but I doubt it. You might, but I doubt it. Yeah. So fake out on the 15. All right, fake out on the 15. 30-minute close bearish, barely below. All right, I'm gonna take a sell. I'm gonna take a sell right here. 1 second. 2470. I'm gonna take a sell right here. Tapping into this level. Yeah, I'm gonna take a sell right there. That's gonna be a wick entry. I'm gonna take a sell right there to eventually flip and create a bottom wick for this candle here. Yeah, this hourly closed bullish. He did tap into this level first, right? That's the 4-hour coming back up too. 30-minute, 15-minute close bullish. Okay, daily time frame. Yeah, Yeah, I took a sell. I took a sell right there. BE area. BE is gonna be around here. So BE is gonna be 2445.683. Well, really, it should be. Actually, no, yeah. Right now, I'm gonna go BE because you have a level here on the 15, and it is a wick entry. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go BE. Gonna go BE right now. Buy position 2448.45. 8.45. Okay. All right, so I just went BE. Let's see. Okay, boom. I just got stopped out BE. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. Yeah, I got stopped out BE, and then we just started to drive back down. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me, y'all. Yeah, I actually got a dip. And the longer I stay, the more, you know, the more we're gonna start taking some trades that maybe we should not take. But I do think we might still continue driving down here though. But we tapped into this level here, hence why we went BE. So nothing much we can do about that, right? Nothing much we can do about that. Hi, baba. All right. So that's another BE, bro. 3 BEs on stream is crazy. Not the best showing, huh? Not the best day back, but yeah, another BE. BE there, and what is it? Monthly, and then the record as well. Pretty cool. I mean, the good thing is all our BEs were in the positives, right? We got like a little bit of profits from the BEs, a dollar point something, you know, little change here and there. But yeah, we did have a lot of opportunities today. Yeah, it really is my fault, right? It really is my fault. I don't know what was going on, but we just couldn't lock in on a trade, a good or a decent trade. But yeah. All right. Let's see. Put this here. Gold BE as well. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for me though. Let me just update this. I'm gonna update the current record. So we are currently sitting at let's see, current profit. So we're currently sitting at I think 145. All right, so 146. So we're currently sitting at 146. Quick maths, what is that? Let's see. Yeah, so we're about halfway, you know, about halfway to our targets. We're about halfway to our targets, almost 60% to the targets, right? We're about halfway there. So we just gotta keep at it, and you know, eventually we're gonna hit that, right? But yeah, man, that is gonna be it for me though. That is gonna be it for me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I mean, GJ coming back down, gold doing whatever gold's doing. Yeah, I do think you're gonna flip here. All right, so I mean, we had to go break even where we went break even, right? We really couldn't hold that, especially now with this closure. I mean, the 5 closed, so you're closing above what? You're closing below there, but closed above there. Yeah, even with this closure, I would have needed to go BE right now. Yeah, man. If you flip here, your odds of driving, I really couldn't tell you, just because you had this hourly closure bullish. So I'm not really sure what your odds of driving are. But I mean, I guess if you were looking for a bottom wick after you flipped, you would come down to somewhere around here, right? yeah, so I mean, from the flip to that level, you have about 30 pips, right? Which we would have preferred to be in there with the, you know, with the top wick, right? Once we took the wick entry, we would have preferred that, and then we just watch price flip and drive down. But you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, man. Yeah, I mean, this is an hourly level. I couldn't not, you know, I couldn't not manage at that level, right? So all right, yo, appreciate y'all for tuning in. I will try to stream Asian session because I think we had a lot of movement during New York today, so Asian session might just consolidate, but I will try to show up for Asian session. And yeah, man, yeah, I'm gonna try to show up for Asian session, and then we'll move from there. My fault, yo. One sec. Yeah, so we're coming down. Yeah, not much I can do about it. We've already taken our position. We got our BE. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. So like I said, I'll try and show up. My fault, yo. Yo, I'm bugging. Yeah, so here, there goes the flip. That's what we're looking for. Hey baba. Yeah, maybe our entry wasn't, you know, we didn't get the best week entry, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, I definitely should just stop trading for the day, man, cuz I'm feeling like a dickhead. Cuz we had a bunch of opportunities here. Like all this move up, right? This big push down, we had opportunities there we just didn't take advantage of. So yeah, you know, emotions are gonna start coming into play. So I'm gonna just hop off the charts, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna just hop off, protect the profits. We didn't lose anything today, you know. That's a dub in itself. We didn't lose anything, so you know, I'll take that as a dub, and I'll run with that. So yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'll try stream Asian. I'll try stream Asian 7:30 p.m. I'll try stream Asian. If not, I'll see you guys. Okay, I'm not gonna stream Friday either. Friday 8:30, yeah, so I gotta leave 8. Yeah, nah, so I'm not gonna be able to stream on Friday. Yeah, so pretty much if I don't see you guys in Asian, I'll see you guys next week. Yeah, if it's not today Asian, I'll see you guys next week. But I will attempt to stream Asian today. I will make an actual attempt. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget, we are live every weekday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. West African time. With that being said, peace.